So hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will see how we can make the wall in our plant or model the wall in our plant. So I will teach the simplest way to model the wall. So for that we have to go to tasks, then we have to go to structure. Then there are various icons are there in the left side of our smart plant 3D software. We have to choose the place wall icon or click on that place wall. Then they are showing select a sketching plane. We have to choose any one plane. If we choose this plane, so from the reference of this wall will be a model, or if we choose this plane, from the reference of which wall will be model. Okay. Generally we choose the perpendicular or vertical. We don't normally choose vertical plane. We choose the horizontal plane. So click on the horizontal plane. After selecting plane, they are showing select a path by 2D or 3D sketch. The simplest way is to choose the 3D. Okay. Before that, we have to do the system. So in that wall will be saved automatically. So I will go to the unit and go to the structure and go to the wall, and I will click OK. So the wall will be saved in that hierarchy in A1, unit 11, structure, and wall. Okay. So we have to put first hierarchy. Then I will teach you how we can model the wall by 3D sketch. Okay. So here you see the sketch 3D option. We have to click on that. Now you see or you are watching the yellow dot is there. Okay. So I will show this. Okay. So this is our starting point. Means if you click from any position, the wall will be start. So I will, for your reference, I will click here. Then we have to lock that string and not we give the length. I will show you 15,000 by or 12,000 by 12,000 rectangular wall. 12,000 I will give the value, and again lock. I will lock to the north position. Again I will give 12,000 value. Then again I will lock. At that time you can either put the value of 12,000 or you will give the this point, so it will be the exact point. Same this time I will give this point, means perfect rectangular section closed boundaries will be created. If finish option came here, then it is a perfect or error-free method. uh, Means we close all the boundaries. Then we have to click on the finish button. After clicking on the finish button, there are the properties section. Means we have to give the thickness of wall as well as we have to give the height of wall. So we put the thickness 200 mm. Then uh, at this position we have to give the height. Okay, in vertical section how will be the height. So for your reference I will give the 10,000 height. Okay, now you see 10,000 by 10,000 rectangular portion of wall created successfully. Then this is the types of wall. We can use the foundation wall, parapet, partition wall, retainer wall, interior wall. If there are various types of wall, we can choose according to the shape or the properties of wall will be changed. After clicking on the selected wall, we have to click on the finish icon. Okay, now you see wall will be created successfully. I will show you by rotating in a helicopter section. As you can see, the wall is created successfully. In the next video I will show you how we can create that doors and windows. For that please subscribe this channel and keep in touch with my channel, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you.